The term dielectric material is just another way of saying insulation. When a dielectric material, such as glass, plastic or ceramic, is introduced between the plates of a capacitor, it increases the capacitance by a factor called the dielectric constant. The dielectric constant of a material is a measure of its insulating ability. The capacitance due to a dielectric material can be calculated using the equation above, where C backtick is the new capacitance with the dielectric present and C is the original capacitance. A dielectric material can never decrease the capacitance, thus dielectric constant can never be less than 1. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.